How to edit group name on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. You can view all your groups on Facebook from here. Open any of your groups from here. Once you're here, tap on Manage. Scroll down to the Settings section and tap on Group Settings. Now, go over to the Setup Group section. Then, tap on Name and Description. Here, you can edit and change the group name. Type in the name over here. You can also add a group description below if you want. Then, tap on Save at the top. Note that you can only change your group's name once every 28 days. Following these steps, you can easily edit group name on Facebook.